Good evening, we love food world. We're back again with Antonio Septimo, Ricardo nunes, with another surprise from Antonio.
Hi guys, yeah, I'm gonna make chicken fried rice. So, how are you all? My recipe is around here. So, we have a chicken, egg, peas, and carrots, garlic, onion, chili, and parsley, and so of course sesame and what do you call this, pepper and salt in the in rice. And then I'm gonna show you how to. I'm gonna cut this chicken. I'm gonna cut the chicken. Where with the light? I'm gonna cut the chicken by cube, like that. I'm gonna wash the chicken. This is a chicken breast. If you like chicken, any kind of chicken you like, guys, you can. But I like this chicken. Chicken breast is alright. I cut it by small, like a cube, and then I put it in the side. Hang on a minute. I'm gonna wash my hands and the water as well. And then I don't know when we have light. And then I'm gonna have garlic, guys, and onion. Let me see. Right. And then the onion, guys, I'm gonna put in the side. Just put in the side, yeah. So I'm gonna cook the chicken and the egg. I put in the side while the onion and garlic is on the other side. Before I cook a fried rice, pork fried rice, just let this chicken cook, the egg cook, just like that. And then, guys, I'm gonna do the carrots, and then the egg, just leave it to the side, and the carrots mix together with the onion and garlic. And then we're gonna put the peas. And mix together until everything is mix together. And then a bit salt, not too much, otherwise it will be salty. Okay, so, and then I've got the chicken put in the side. egg, just leave it in there. Then it comes together. So just cook the chicken, guys. And put the oil sauce. If you need more oysters, depend on you guys. If you already salty or and I have a chili here, so I'm gonna cover the chili. Chopping. I don't like a lot of chili, so that's fine. The parsley later. The egg, I just put in the salt, it's fine. I need to cook more chili chicken.
It looks yummy, looks tasty so far. Beautiful.
And then I'm gonna mix the rice. And a little bit the sesame, guys, for nice and tasty. Sesame oil. You can buy in the Asian shop. Sesame. I love it. Make sure the chicken is cooked. I can mix now the rice. So I mix together everything. So I need a spoon, strong one. So I can mix everything now. The egg, chicken, and the vegetable. Look yummy and delicious. It smells good. I can smell everything, the ingredient inside.
Very simple and easy, quick.
Yeah.
And after that we're gonna try all in one go.
Make sure you mix everything, so the rice and the chicken.
So this one is Antonia's stir-fry chicken.
Yeah. Chicken. A bit oil or olive oil. It's a nice and just a little bit. Additional for tasty sauce. So make sure you're not very salty, guys. So it's not nice. This is the chicken fried rice with egg, peas, and carrots.
Look at that, beautiful, so tasty looks, eh? Looks so yummy.
Yeah.
Antonia chicken
Guys, look at this.
fried rice,
Yeah.
so yummy, so nice, so
Look at the
tasty.
chicken and everything here.
Wow.
It's all done. So we're gonna try now. And I'm gonna put in the plate.
So tasty, so yummy. Chicken stir fry rice.
Yeah. This is for just decoration, guys. And now, ready to eat. With the chicken, carrots, everything. Look at this. I like massive, but it's fine.
No, color.
And then a bit parsley everywhere at the top.
Look at that for a dish.
Guys, thank you for your watching.
So yummy, so tasty.
Hopefully you're enjoying my chicken fried rice. Do look delicious. And we're gonna try now. Ricardo gonna try.
Okay.
And hang on, I'm gonna
Wow, so yummy.
take my knife. Look at
Delicious.
this. Shall I try first?
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. I'm gonna try first. With the chili and everything and chicken. But really, really hot. Thank you, guys. Mm-hmm. Very nice. Thank you. Mm. With a bit of chili. Mm. Mm. Let's look at the chicken. It's really nice. Mm. Guys, do it at home. Very easy. Very nice. Nice recipe. Chicken and fish. Lovely flavor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. We love food world. And have a nice evening. Thank you. Have a nice. Thanks a lot. And Ricardo gonna try now. Thank you. Bye now.
Oh, looks yummy. Heaven. Lot of flavor here. Yummy, tasty.
Sorry.
Very nice. We love food world. It's getting bigger, so we want to do even more better recipes all the time. So please world, watch our recipes. Yeah? Any requests, just send it there and we'll do it. The air fried rice was a request from a person which we doing, so I need to find out which person he was so we can reply to him. So this is a request and Antonia made it.
Oh yeah, one from Portugal as well, requesting for her daughter the chicken
So yummy, so tasty.
fried rice. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you're enjoying.
I
And then
can stay here all day eating because it's so yummy.
Ricardo want to eat all.
So yummy, so tasty. So the next stir fry recipe of rice, I'm gonna make it, but I would love to make it with seafood. So shrimps will be the choice, you know, king prawns. Thanks for watching, God bless you, and see you next time for the next recipe. We love food world.
Thank you guys. Have a nice Sunday. God bless.